Right now, somewhere near you, there are 5 cars sitting on a lot and are priced under $12,000 that are just as reliable as a Camry, just as capable as a CRV, and in some cases better engineered than both. And they're being completely ignored. Not because they're bad, because most buyers never look past the brand names they already know. That blind spot? That's your advantage. And today I'm handing it to you with data to back every single pick. We're going through 5 vehicles: sedans, a hatchback, a wagon, and an SUV, all available under $12,000 in the current market. Every pick is backed by Consumer Reports, JD Power, or RepairPal data. No guesswork, no brand loyalty, just the numbers. If you're new here, we don't take sponsorships, ever. This channel runs on objectivity. Hit subscribe and the notification bell so you catch every video we drop. Now let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5. Pontiac Vibe, 2003-2010. Most people hear Pontiac and they walk the other way. That's exactly the wrong move with this one, because the Vibe is not really a Pontiac. Under the hood and underneath the body, the Pontiac Vibe is a Toyota Matrix. Same platform, same 1.8-liter engine, built in the same NUMMI joint venture plant in California. Toyota reliability wearing a GM badge and priced like nobody knows, because most buyers don't. Consumer Reports gave the Vibe reliability ratings nearly identical to the Matrix throughout its production run. RepairPal puts annual maintenance costs at approximately $370, among the lowest in its class. You're getting a practical hatchback wagon hybrid body style, excellent fuel economy, and a parts supply that's interchangeable with Toyota across much of the drivetrain. The interior is dated and the Pontiac badge makes some mechanics assume the worst before they've even looked at it. Get a pre-purchase inspection from someone who knows Toyotas, because that's exactly what they'll be working on. A Toyota in disguise. The badge is the only thing cheap about it. Number 4. Hyundai Sonata, 2015-2017. The 2015 to 2017 Hyundai Sonata is one of the most unfairly priced used cars in the current market. It looks premium, it drives premium, and it sells like it carries a stigma it hasn't deserved for years. JD Power gave the 2016 Sonata a 4 out of 5 in initial quality. The 6th-generation Sonata came with a redesigned 2.4-liter GDI engine and a significantly improved interior, one that legitimately competes with the Accord and Camry on comfort and feature content. At this price point, you're often picking up a mid-trim with heated seats, a backup camera, and Apple CarPlay-ready hardware for under $11,000. RepairPal rates the Sonata's reliability at 4.0 out of 5.0, with average annual repair costs around $458, lower than the Camry's average in the same period. Resale has softened because of Hyundai's overall brand perception, and that depreciation is entirely your gain. And it's important is to stick with the 2.4-liter naturally aspirated engine. The turbocharged 2.0T in this generation has a documented history of higher repair frequency. Check the VN, check the trim, avoid the turbo. Camry comfort, Kia pricing. The depreciation curve did you a favor. Number 3. Mazda 6, 2014-2017. While buyers are locked in bidding wars over Honda Accord listings, the Mazda 6 is parked right next to it in the same class, $3,000 to $4,000 cheaper, and the reliability data is nearly identical. JD Power rated the 2016 Mazda 6 5 out of 5 in predicted reliability. Consumer Reports ranks it above average consistently across this generation. RepairPal puts annual maintenance at roughly $400, cheaper than both the Accord and the Camry. The Skyactiv G 2.5-liter engine in this generation is proven, with documented cases clearing 200,000 miles on basic maintenance schedules. The interior quality in the Mazda 6 punches genuinely above its price class. The driving dynamics are in a different league from its competition. This car was built to be engaging, not just adequate. And because buyers default to Toyota and Honda, the Mazda 6 depreciates harder, which means you win. The one real con is parts availability. Mazda has a smaller independent mechanic footprint than Toyota or Honda. If you live outside a major metro, confirm your local shops are comfortable with it before you buy. The Camry's equal in reliability. It's superior in driving feel, at a fraction of the price. We've still got 2 vehicles to go. including a compact SUV that Consumer Reports actually ranked above the RAV4 in owner satisfaction at this price point. Don't go anywhere. Number 2. Honda Fit, 2009-2014. If you judge this car by its looks, you will miss one of the best used car deals on the market. The Honda Fit is small, boxy, and easy to dismiss. And that attitude is keeping the price down for buyers who know better. RepairPal gives the Honda Fit a reliability score of 4.5 out of 5.0, top 3 among all subcompacts on the platform. Consumer Reports has named it a recommended pick repeatedly across this generation. The 1.5-liter engine is famously durable, and owners routinely report crossing 200,000 miles with nothing beyond scheduled maintenance. Annual repair costs average just $390. What makes the Fit genuinely special beyond the reliability numbers is Honda's Magic Seat System, a rear seat configuration that lets you fold, flip, and reconfigure the interior in ways that make the cargo space defy physics for the car's size. You get a subcompact footprint with near-compact utility. The honest con is highway driving. The 1.5-liter engine works hard at sustained high speeds, and the cabin gets noisy above 70 miles per hour. If you're doing long highway commutes daily, factor that in. For city and suburban use, it is nearly perfect. Reliability data that rivals cars twice the price. The Fit earns everything its reputation promises. Number 1. Mazda CX-5, 2014-2016. Here's the one that should genuinely stop you. A compact SUV, under $12,000. That Consumer Reports ranked above the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V in the same generation for owner satisfaction and predicted reliability. Read that again. Above the RAV4, above the CR-V, in the segment everyone is overpaying to get into. The first-generation CX-5 runs either the Skyactiv G 2.0 or 2.5-liter engine. Both are clean, proven powertrains with minimal reported issues across hundreds of thousands of owner data points. RepairPal puts annual maintenance at around $450, lower than the RAV4's average for the same years. JD Power scores sit above segment average consistently. And the driving experience is in a completely different class from other compact SUVs at this price. Responsive, precise, confidence-inspiring. The caveat is the infotainment. These early CX-5 models predate CarPlay and Android Auto. The factory system feels dated in 2025. Budget $200 to $400 for an aftermarket head unit if connectivity matters to you. That's a minor fix on an otherwise exceptional vehicle. The data doesn't lie. The CX-5 is the best compact SUV value under $12,000 in today's market. Full stop. Here's what every car on this list has in common. The reliability data is there. The value is there. The only thing missing is the hype. And that's exactly why the price is right. Stop letting brand recognition drain your wallet. The Pontiac Vibe is a Toyota. The Mazda CX-5 outscored the RAV4. The Sonata costs less to maintain than a Camry. The market hasn't priced that in, and you should take full advantage before it does. So tell me in the comments, which of these 5 would you actually buy? And is there an underrated used car you'd add to this list that nobody talks about? Drop it below. I read every single one. If this saved you some research time, subscribe. We publish data-backed car buying content every week. No sponsors, no fluff.